This is the default Windows layout panels. When you first start up, this is probably what it'll look like. I like to customize it a little bit, so we're going to move some things around. The bottom left here, we have our project window. This is our main window. This is where footage gets imported. We have our tools section. We have our timeline. This is otherwise known as a sequence. This is where our clips will be placed after a sequence has been created. And then we can start moving some footage or audio around to start creating an edit. Over here is our meters showing our audio once we're playing back a sequence that has audio in it. Here's our program monitor. This is our main visual representation of what's happening in the sequence. We have our source panel. If we were to import a file and then double click it, it would open up in source for us to view. We have in another tab here, effect controls. If we were to import footage, drop it in our timeline, and then add an effect to it, it would show up here. Okay, let's go down to our effects right here. This is where we can browse through and go through different effects. We can apply video effects, transitions, and the exact same for audio. For now, I think we'll leave it at that, and in the next one, I will start moving some panels around to create our own custom workspace.